All right, so to generate partner chain keys, we're actually going to have to use the partner chain CLI wizards. Midnight node, you see here, I'm within the container shell, and you'll see here we have the Midnight node binary here. All right, so if I were to invoke Midnight node, wizards -- help, this will show me all the partner chain CLI wizards. And so that's what we're going to have to be using. And we're actually going to be following the registered validator flow of things. So the first step is to generate keys. So we will do that. So I'm going to hit clear here. I'm going to invoke the Midnight node wizards generate keys command. This is going to ask me where I want to store them. And I'm going to store them in this data directory that we have, which is that shared volume with the container. So let's generate keys in there. And it's going to return a prompt. Generating the keys is going to tell you the path to each key. For example, like data chains, partner chains, template, key store. And there's also this file called partner chains public keys.json file, which it creates. And something I like to do is, it's optional, but I recommend it, is copy this entire prompt and save it in a safe place, just in case you need to reference anything. However, since I just created keys, I'm going to clear here. I'm going to ls. And you can see here, we have this partner chains public keys JSON file. And you can use this to reference your public partner chain keys. And if we look in the data directory, which is shared within the container, we now have this chains folder, undeployed, and key store and network. So this is your network key, and this is your sidechain or grandpa key. Okay. Now there's a known issue within the partner chain version that we're using. So there is a little workaround that we have to do, which is this undeployed folder name. So what we're going to have to do is rename it. I could easily do it in VS Code, but I'll show you how to do it in the shell really quick here. So if I change directory into data, I change directory into chains, and I see this undeployed folder, what I'm going to do is rename it with the move command, which is move undeployed. And this has to be partner chains template. All right. And now if I ls, I should see this is now partner chains template directory. And if I can even see in VS Code here, if I go to chains, I see it's chains and partner chains template, and this contains all of my partner chain keys. All right. So at this point, we have our partner chains keys created. We made sure that we renamed that directory in the data chains path here. And we also have our Cardano keys here. So the next step is we're going to perform the register one command.